Hello student, welcome to next practical of mobile application development. Today we see practical number 12, that is develop program to implement radio button and radio group. So in this practical we see radio button and radio group. So practical significance is radio button are used when we need to select only one item from list of the presented item. If radio button are in group, when one radio button within a group is selected, all others are automatically deselected. Okay, if we use normal radio button, that time we can select multiple options. But when we use radio button in group, that time we can only select the single option. Program outcome of this practical is discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, and engineering tools. Okay, here some theoretical background is given. Radio button is generally with radio group. Radio group is a set of radio button, making one radio button as a checked mark, all other radio button as a unchecked. Okay, simple meaning is we can select only one radio button. Where we use like in form sometimes gender. Okay, gender, student, branch. That time we use the radio button because we only select the single option from given option. Okay, here are some attributes of Android button and group, in YZ there is a radio button. When you go into design, that time we in button we get the radio button. Okay, so let's see the program. We design one program to display this screen. Okay, in your manual output is given. Okay, so for that we develop one program. Okay, so let's see. This is first open new project, give the name experiment 12 in empty activity, and then these two files are open, activity main XML and main activity.java. Okay, so here we use the absolute layout, give some attributes of absolute layout, Android layout width, height. Okay, then here we create text view. Okay, in text view ID of the first text view is TB, then layout width, height, layout XY coordinate we defined here. Why? Because we use absolute layout. Okay, then text for first text view is single radio button. Okay, so first example is we can say normal radio button without group. Okay, so here first I create one radio button. Radio button ID is RB1. Attributes of the first radio button width, height, then X coordinate, Y coordinate, and text is reading. Okay, so reading is display on your screen. Similarly, I create second text button. ID is RB2. Then width and height is wrap content, X, Y coordinate, and second button string is playing. So playing is display on your screen. So these are the two normal radio button without group. Then we create one button. Okay, ID is B1, width, height, wrap content, X, Y coordinate is defined as per design, and text is show selected. Okay, so show selected is your button. Then next we create one radio group. Radio group, for that we define the attribute layout width, height, layout X and Y coordinate. Then text is select gender. Okay, so in the second in this group we can only select the single option. In these first two radio button we can select both options. Okay, so for that here again in radio group I create radio button for female and male. Okay, define the attributes ID, layout width, height, layout X, Y coordinate, and text is female. Similarly for male. Okay, so here these two radio button are created in radio group. Radio group is here closed. Then after that we create one text view. Text view ID is TV1, width, height, wrap content, and layout X, Y, and text is select gender. Okay, so this is simple XML code to design your form, which is given your manual. Okay, then we write the Java code. First we import some packages, button, radio button, view, radio group, text view, toast. Okay, so we display the message in toast. So here we import all the packages. Then here we create different group. First we create radio button, 5 object of radio button R1, R2, R3, R4. Then we create one object of radio group RGX, one object of button BX, and 2 object of text view T1 and T2. Okay, so all of you know this, how we can create the object in Java. Then here we register our object with the component ID. Okay, so T1 is the object of text view find view by ID r.id TV is the ID of the text view 1. Okay, so this is TV. Next, similarly we register the all object R1, R2, BX, R3, R4, T2. Remember student, here this is very important, the name of the component ID. Okay, so here is the object name and this is your component name, which is defined in XML file. Then BX is the object of button bx.set on click listener. Okay, inside that we define on click method. We create one integer variable select ID is equal to rgx get checkbox radio button ID. Okay, then r5 is equal to radio button, this is r5 is equal to radio button find view by ID selected ID. Okay, so this integer we pass in the r5. Okay, then here we define the toast make text is a method used to display the text. Okay, in toast. Okay, then we define the parameters and show method used to display the show. Okay, then we use the if loop. If r1 is checked and r2 dot is checked, then it display the check, reading, playing. Okay, if both are checked, then it display this. Else if r2 is selected, then it display playing. If r1 is selected, then it display reading. Else select an option. Okay, so this is simple code to perform the radio button or to create the radio button and perform event handling also. When you run this program, that time it display like this. Okay, first two are the radio button, and we can select multiple, and this is radio group select gender. Okay, so in second group we only select the one option. Okay, and in first two we can select multiple. If we click on show select button, then toast is display. Okay, playing मेल. Okay, जो भी आपने सिलेक्ट किया है वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करेगा playing and मेल. Okay, मेल and play. Okay, here we can select multiple options, but here we can select only single option. Why? Because this is radio group. Okay, so this is simple program to create the radio button in Android. Thank you.